Exposing the Purr-fect cats for beginners. Not all heroes wear capes, some just purr and nap. Let's start with the ragdoll, literally a cat that flops like a plush toy when you pick it up. Ideal for cuddles and not plotting world domination. Next up, the exotic short hair, or as I like to call it, the lazy person's Persian. Less grooming, same grumpy cat face. Oh, and you can't forget about the British short hair. They're like the polite gentlemen of the cat world, always poised and ready for a tea party with the queen. Want something a bit spicier? How about a Siamese? They'll chat your ear off and help you commentate every moment of your day. And lastly, for those who appreciate the quieter things in life, the Scottish fold, masters of the serene and majestic sit, often resembling a loaf of bread. So, ready to meet your new feline friend? Remember, they choose you as much as you choose them.